Hello, teachers. Teachers, I have shared this Excel spreadsheet in our office group. So here, you need to click on this Excel sheet and you need to fill your extra period logbook. So I'm making this very short video to explain you how to write your logbook for the extra period. Okay, now see this one in our office group. This uh, spreadsheet is here. So which spreadsheet is here? This one. Okay, so you have to click on this link. Now let us click on the link. You can see that the link is getting open. Now see this one. So the link is open, and here in this link you can see the columns are serial number, name of the teacher, and day and date, class, month, and class, subject, and July. Okay, so here as you can see that on in first row, Pooja Jadhav ma'am, she has written her name, day and date. She has written here that Tuesday 25/7 and 2023 for the classes 4 and 5, and her subject is science. See this one, and she is going to teach plant parts. Okay, so she has on 25. So today is 25. This means she has taught this. Now you can see the next one is number 2, Megha More madam. She is teaching on Wednesday, but the date is not mentioned here. I think she is writing right now. Okay, now she has to write her class, subject, and topic. Let's see Patil Shraddha madam. See, Patil Shraddha madam, she has written here Friday 28 7 and 2023. This means she has extra period on this day and date. Now she has not written the class, so you need to write the class here, and the subject column is science, and then the topics. So the topic is heredity and variation. Okay, see this one. More Megha ma'am was writing it, and she has written here Wednesday 26 and 7. Now she is this green. You can see this green column, green row. ये green आपको rectangle दिख रहा है? So green rectangle means she is writing now. So that's great. It is the spreadsheet. देखिए spreadsheet का फ़ायदा यही होता है. So see, she has written Marathi here. That's good. So now, so I think you have seen that how it is written. So for example, for a demo, I will write here on 5. See, on the fifth row, in the fifth row, I am writing my name here, Irshad Ahmed. Okay, and I will write for tomorrow. Right, so 26 and 7 2023, and the day is, what is the day on 26? आज क्या है? Tuesday, so Wednesday. So write Wednesday here. Okay, you can write short also, WED Wednesday. Okay, now correct. Let's move on to the next column. It is the column of class. So write here class. So what should I write here? I can write ninth. Okay, so ninth. Fine. So whatever the classes, whichever the classes you are teaching, you have to write here class name. And now the subject is, for example, the subject is SST, and then here it is the topic. So which topic I am going to teach here? I will teach them the, क्या पढ़ाते हैं, हाँ, I will teach them preamble, right? Fine. So after writing your data here, you just simply have to save it. तो save कैसे करोगे आप? You can see this one. Look at this right ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है ना, लेते हैं फिर एक बार, रुकिए. तो आई विल टेक दिस वन. See this one, right option. Okay, so you have to click on this right option to save your data. Okay, चलिए तो मैं क्लिक करता हूँ. I have clicked here on this right data. This means my data is saved, successfully saved. So children, sorry teachers, you have to write your extra period logbook before a day. Suppose today is 24, so sorry, today is 25 and I have extra period on 26. So I will write my extra period details one day before. This means on 25. Okay, सो दिस वे इट मीन्स कि आपको एक दिन पहले ही ये एक्स्ट्रा पीरियड का लॉगबुक यहाँ पर लिखना है. ओके, चलो. सो होप द वीडियो वॉज यूजफुल एंड इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल द टीचर्स, ऑल रेस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स, to mention your logbook for the extra periods here in this Excel sheet for the smooth functioning of the school. Thank you very much and have a good day.